How to link Xbox account on Steam. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can link your Xbox account to Steam. So first of all, you need to open your Xbox app from your Windows. You can see there's a recent Xbox app shown. You can also search for the app and click on enter, and it will uh, be open on your Windows. And after that you have to come to the upper left corner and click on the settings options, and after that here you can see there are many options. You have to click on account, that's the first option, and after that you have to come down, and as you can see there are linked account section where it's Steam, Twitch, Discord, Reddit, EA, and we'll just show you the link setup for Steam for this video. So you have to click on link from here, and after that it will open a new window, and you just have to link the account from here. As you can see, sign into sisu.xboxlive.com using your Steam account. You just have to click on sign in, and you just click on open Xbox, and as you can see the account is now linked. You can check on unlink if you want to unlink that, and now you can just play your game and using Steam on Xbox, and yeah, you can now play every games from Xbox, and it will directly link to the Steam account of yours. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.